highlighting underneath my brow. Thanks, Kay. And just pulling the color down. Just making sure. So I'm gonna blend that, and then we're gonna do the white. Now going in, putting the white up there. You wanna make sure to get enough up there to cover your lid seamlessly, but not too much. And you don't want any chunks. And this stuff is really creamy, so you want to really make sure to get it in your creases of your eyelid and the skin. I have 3 really exciting lip choices in mind for this look, so it's gonna be really pretty. So if you do leave, make sure you come back at the end so I can show you these lips, because I have some really great ideas. So starting with Sandalwood from the Oshun Palette. This is the first color, this like buttery yellow. You really have to pat yellow pigment. Like, you cannot just attempt to blend it. It will not act right. Just gonna blend this out. And the way I'm starting this look, you would think this whole look is gonna be yellow, but it's just a really great base color though, because I do have warmer undertones. Okay, really softly blend it to fade out and be really pretty and nice. Pink lemonade type of color. Now we're gonna we're gonna melt the colors together. Create a color hybrid. I'm gonna show you this color in a second. So now I'm gonna go in with the yellow into the tear duct area. Really press that in there nicely. You know what neighborhood I live in, Canaan. This place is a trip. This place is a trip. I guess they could call it, it's off, but I do feel you. I remember one time somebody hit me up and they were like, ah! It was on my WhatsApp though. And they were like really amped, and I was like, supermarket savings though. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this pencil brush. Hey! Ooh, you're a cow. I've never been there. I want to travel some more real soon. My Ralph's number? It is. Don't use my number at Ralph's either. So chill out, girl. chill on out, girl. I am using Lancome Teint Idole 540. Hey Simone. This is that good old Lancome. This is a little brush from Elf. I don't like to go through stuff. I'm not the person who you're gonna be in a relationship with and we're gonna be we're not gonna like I don't really do too much fighting. I don't really do too much arguing. I don't really care to be right or wrong. Like, I just don't care about that kind of stuff. You're right, babe. You're right. You wanna be right, my little baby. You are right, honey. And then because most of the time the guys that I deal with, if it's a situation in the case of right or wrong, I feel like generally I have a good judge of character and they'll come back later and they'll be like, you know what, babe, you were right. And I'll be like, oh, really? Oh my God, I had no idea. Like, what am I gonna, I don't argue with you. Like, I'm a Cancer. If I like you, I probably actually love you. Because that's just what I do. You know what I mean? If I fuck with you, I probably fuck with you heavy. If I'm feeling you with one, I'm probably feeling you with two hands. And I just, you know, what are we gonna argue about? I'm not gonna argue with you. I don't wanna argue with you. I'm not argumentative. I'm not feisty. If you want a girl who's gonna cut you and fight you and chase you around, you gotta go somewhere else. I am snuggle and cuddle and let's watch a movie and come here and what's the matter? Come here, let me give you a hug. Let me put my hands on the back of your pants, squeeze your butt. All I wanna do is cuddle. I wanna fight. You know, piss you off to see how much you like me first. Like, I don't do all of that. Like, I don't have time for all of that. You know? You know, if I feel like I have to give you too much attitude, then we probably just don't get along and I'm not gonna mess around. Like, I don't like having bad energy. I like chilling, snuggling, cuddling, play fighting, traveling. I'm gonna go in with my ThePrimeBeauty bronzer in Bronzeville. Cute. You know, and you know what it is with people who always think they're right? They realize that they're wrong sometime, and I don't really care to be like, I'm not a sore winner or loser unless we're just like playing and being fun. So I'll be quiet about it. Like, I can be like, okay, I don't know. I win anyway because I get to squeeze your butt. I don't care, you gonna be right? You got it, babe. You win. Oh my God, baby knows everything. I can't believe it. And that may not be the best way to be, but if we're in a relationship and otherwise it's really good, who cares what? You know what I mean? Because they're gonna slink off later and they're gonna Google whatever it is and they're gonna find out that they were wrong and it's gonna be whatever. Like, I do not argue about stupid stuff. I'm like, It would have to be something really, really important. And it's different with different relationships and different people. Like me and my brother, like, no, I'm right all the time when I'm dealing with my brother. I think I know everything. Because he's my brother, he's down. You know what I mean? But I don't know, it's just different with different relationships, you know what I mean? I ain't fighting my babe. Yeah, I like to be big spoon. So what? Come here. I'm gonna put my body on yours. So it has to be very, very important, you know what I mean? Especially when you're living with somebody and you guys are in the same house. Random people on the street can get it all day. But when you're living in a house with somebody, or you're staying with someone, or, you know, different things like that, I feel like there's a different energy that needs to be had. We can't be in here arguing and fighting like cats and dogs, because if I sneak up on you and I bust you in the head with a pot, I'm gonna go up the river. You know, that's why, like, I try sincerely. That's why, like, I don't do roommates, because I can't have you in the house and then we have to fight. Because if I get mad enough and I boil and steam enough, it could be bad. And I just don't like to get mad, because once I get mad and once I get to a certain level, it's just, it's not cute, it's not fun, I'm stressed out. See, and this is something, these are things that I can't do that. And that type of stuff happens quick and easy. And that's how you know when people are willing to fight and argue and you can tell when people have never been through anything, because I'm quick to walk away, because I know how quick you can get snatched up, thrown in jail. They want you in there, you'll go to jail quick. Not I be like, okay, well, people, I don't know. And I can only take but so much talking. I can only take but so much of somebody saying stupid stuff to me. You know what I mean? I didn't want to add black, but I wanted to add some depth as always. One of the colors that I wanted to do. The other I'm usually putting eyeshadow on my lips, or this is my highlighter. And then let's go in with a little bit of this.